Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Tubepal. Now in this video I'm going to look at Tubepal so you can see exactly what this does and how it will help you build your YouTube channel. But first I'm going to look at the bonus that I'm going to give you when you purchase Tubepal through my link. Now the first bonus that I want to look at is the bundle bonus. Now there's lots and lots of bundles been happening, and quite a lot of launches lately. Some are great value, some are not so great. Now this one is very good value. Now this bonus that I'm going to give you for the bundle is only available to the first 15 buyers. Once we've hit 15 buyers of the bundle, I will close this down. Because what I'm going to do for those 15 buyers who purchase the bundle through my link, I'm going to give you all the bonuses from January, February and March. That's every single bonus pack that I put together for the first quarter of this year is available to the first 15 buyers who purchased the bundle for Tubepal. So, and as I said, it is great value because the front end of Tubepal is $47. The first upsell is $47. That's the thumbnail creator. Now the second upsell is the Tubepal reseller agency, which is $197. Then there is Prime Stocks, which is a stock media site, $97. Then there is Prime Stocks Sounds, which is obviously sounds and things like that to use in your videos, $97. The reseller for those, which is $297. So you've got a total saving of $485, and that is including a coupon that you can actually use on the bundle. So the coupon is TP Deal, which saves $50. So the price of the bundle is $297. So you've got a total saving of almost $500. So it's great value. And don't forget, I'm going to give you all those bonuses from January, February, March, but you must be in the first 15 buyers. Once we hit 15 buyers on that, we will close it down. So please don't, delay. If you want that bundle bonus, you must be in the first 15 buyers. Now you can also get this front end bonus as well. So if you buy the bundle, you get this bonus as well. But if you buy the front end bonus, the front end offer, you actually get this bonus. So this is for the front end. So the first bonus is 5 done for you video campaigns that have generated me $50,000. So it's generated myself $50,000. So in this bonus, I'm going to give you the videos I've created. I'm going to give you the bonus pages. They'll be available in HTML. All you need to do is add in your affiliate link and that's ready to go. I'm going to give you the delivery, so you get the bonuses for those as well, and the sign-up links. Everything is there, ready to go. So all you need to do is load them onto your YouTube account, use Tubepal, and then start generating traffic to those. And I've generated $50,000 with those 5 campaigns. So it's an amazing bonus just by itself, is that. So this is for the front end as well. Tubepal graphics upgrade commercial. So you get all the graphics that you need to make better videos. You get videos as well. You get audio. Everything is included in that. You've got a 32-week lead generation funnel. So that's 32 weeks of a full follow-up. You got a lead page, you got a thank you page, everything you need to start generating traffic with that. Facebook Masterclass done for you membership. I've got the upgrade to that as well. Social Masterclass done for you membership. Social Store done for you reseller. And the upgrade to that as well. That's a funnel upgrade as well. 35 video courses master. Now what you get is 35 done for you video courses in that, and that's created by my in-house team, 200 plus videos. And I've got tons and tons of video add-on bonuses here. So 10 ways to create the perfect online video, resell rights, video marketing, resell rights, web video strategies, resell rights, YouTube success, resell rights, video library giveaway, video production e-course, creating live video demonstrations, video list builder, video made easy, lots of video bonuses here, video marketing mastery. Then I've got these two here, YouTube influencer and YouTube studio as well. So you can see an amazing bonus package, and all those that I've just mentioned are all for the front end. So all you need to do is purchase a front end to get all those bonuses. Okay, so the one that you want is the 5 done for you campaigns. Generated $50,000, and again that's for the front end. The only upgrade bonus I have, let's get back up here, is this bundle bonus here. That's for the first 15 buyers only. They will receive all the bonuses from January, February, March. Okay, so an amazing bonus there for Tubepal. So let's jump inside Tubepal now so you can see exactly what this does. Okay, so here we are inside Tubepal. Now we're on the dashboard. I've already loaded up my online success model channel. Now you can upload as many channels as you want, import as many channels as I should I say. It's very, very simple to do. All you need to do is connect via Google and it imports everything across. So as you can see, it's pulled my online success model across here. Now what Tubepal does, it helps you manage and grow your YouTube account. So very, very simple system to use, and lots of kind of different tools involved here. I'm not going to show you every one, so the video will be quite a long one, but I'm going to go through the ones that I think are good and the ones that I think will help you make more money with YouTube as well. So I've already started using this. So first you've got Channel Manager. Now with Channel Manager, you've got like, comment campaign, so you can set a like, comment campaign. You've got a subscription campaign, so you can generate more subscribers. Video Manager, so it helps you manage your videos. Playlist Manager and Upload Video. Now your upload video allows you to schedule videos, things like that, but you can actually do that through YouTube, so it's not really a great feature that, but the other ones are really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set this up. So it's like a comment campaign, so you just click action. You can see I've already run one here. Got total activity of 5, and I always set this running today. So create campaign. So campaign name, let's call this OSM2. I'll choose a channel, online success model, because it's the only one I've added. I mean, I do have other channels, but they're for my e-commerce business, things like that. So I can search type by keyword or channel. So I'm going to do keyword on this one. Enable auto like. So I can add an expiry date or expire after it's done so many actions. So if you set here, say let's set 50, it will finish after 50. Or if you set 5 here, but if you wanted activity of 50, it would expire after it's done 50 activities there, so after 10 days kind of thing. If you set the daily max at 5, but I'm going to do a date, so let's set the expiry date on the 23rd at 1 o'clock. So here you can upload different templates. So the templates allow you to add different comments, different responses. So I'm just going to choose OSM2, targeted keywords. So obviously online success model is a digital marketing channel. So let's just put something like make money online. So it'll automatically go out and start kind of finding those keywords and doing the daily activities. So I'll just create campaign and off it's running. Okay, so you can see that's one already done. Now this is already set to go, so it's going to do 5 there. Okay, so then we've got, let's go back, so we've got subscription campaign. So again, we can create a subscription campaign. So again, we can give it a name. Let's call this OSM3. Select a channel, online success model. Again, we can look for keywords, make money online. So once you generate 5 daily subscribers, again, date, we can set a expiry date. So let's put that on the 21st at 3, and then we can create the campaign if we want that to go. We've got channel manager again, so we've got video manager here. So here we can kind of manage our videos. Now the good thing about this, and this is one of the features that I really, really like. So for example, if we click here on this video, this is the win a copy of Tubepal, and we go to options, we can look at the analytics of that video, see who's liking it, and if you really look in depth, you know kind of who to target. I'm going to show you those in a minute, but this is the one that I like, create link wheel. So what you can do with this is you can add in your video IDs and videos to watch after this one. So someone who's watched this one will then be pushed on to another video that you kind of want them to watch. That could be your money video. That's one that you're, kind of asking for a call to action. You're trying to sell something like this. But this one here that you're kind of piggybacking off could be one that's your engagement video, getting a lot of engagement, getting a lot of interaction. Then you can push on to your money video. So all you do is add in the video IDs here. So if I wanted, let's say, to push this one on, this one is it's the same video, so I'm not going to push it on, but all I need to do is copy that link at the top, give the wheel a name. So let's call this OSMC, and paste in the ID, put a comma after it, so you can see that's added. Then I can add multiple videos there. Just create the link wheel. Then what it will do, it will push on those videos, after they've watched the original engagement video, will push them on to kind of the money videos. So I think that's a really good feature. It really is. So then let's go back here. A playlist manager, you can manage your playlists. Then you've got template manager. So here's where you create your auto reply templates and your auto comment templates. If you set it to comment on videos to do with Make Money Online, you can set that there, and you can set up your comments. So you could put something like let's call this OSM3. So we could set something like check out my bonus for a similar product, something like that, and then put your bonus page there and just click create campaign, and off it's running. You can add multiple comments as well. So that's your template manager. Now you've got a search engine. Now what you can do here, this allows you to look at different videos. So I want to kind of target videos that are in the similar niche to what I'm looking at. So if I put something like Make Money Online, set the first 50 videos, I can look at order of relevance, date, rating. So if you view count, which is a good indicator as well, but if you wanted to kind of really drill down into what's working right now, you would look at date and then look at rating as your second one. So you look at the latest videos which have the best rating, and then you can set where the videos are located. Then you can set broadcast type, completed, live, up and coming, video types, duration, dimension, definition, license, etc. Hit search, and what it will do, it will start pulling in videos, all about Make Money Online. These are the latest ones that are happening right now. So you can start looking at those videos and seeing which videos you could emulate, not copy, but look at to see, well, those videos could be good for my channel, so I'll make something similar. And then you can do the exact same thing with channels. So you can look at channels that are working now, and then again with playlists, you start creating playlists. So video tag finder is a very good one to use as well. So let's go back to this one here. So if I copy this video, the video ID, what I want to do is I want to find out what tags this video is using to rank, and keywords, etc. Now I use TubeBuddy, so that's a monthly fee, but I use that to find out tags that are ranking well. So this is how you do it with Tubepal. Get the video ID, paste it there, hit search, and then you can see the tags that I'm using on that video to kind of rank. And then you can download the tags and the keywords. So very, very useful addition that. Then you've got the reporting section. So here you've got, if you're running an auto reply campaign, you can see what's working, what's not. Rank tracking. So as you can see here, I'm tracking Tubepal, see how that's kind of ranking. So let's open this up. At the moment, I'm ranking number 10, so it's not brilliant, but it's not too bad at all. So you can track all your videos there, and again, you can track the link wheel. Now, the link wheel, as I said, very, very good way to get people to your videos if you're using your very, very good videos, because some videos will outperform others. You can use those to push them on to your new videos, to your bonus videos and things like that. So that's Tubepal, a great product to, managing your channel, getting more subscribers, building views, and building, eyeballs to your money videos, and that's what's very, very important. So don't forget, I've got that amazing bonus package, and I've got that bundle bonus as well, but that is for the first 15 people only. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.